If you're getting an X.com or Twitter login error, don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. We'll start with the simplest test, then move into browser cleanup, extension conflicts, system clock issues, password reset steps, and finally a quick outage check. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. First, open an Incognito window. This is one of the best ways to tell whether the issue is coming from your normal browser settings, saved cookies, or a bad extension. If you're using Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl+ Shift+N. If you're using Firefox, press Ctrl+ Shift+P, then type x.com into the address bar and try logging in again. If X works in Incognito, that's a strong sign the problem is on your browser side, not necessarily with your account. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Since Incognito worked, your regular browser probably has corrupted data or an old session that is blocking the login process. Go back to your normal browser window and press Ctrl+Shift+Delete. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. Set the time range to all time. Then make sure cookies and cached images and files are selected. After that, click Clear Data. When the process finishes, close the browser completely and reopen it, then go back to x.com and try signing in again. If the login error is still happening, the next thing to check is conflicting software. Browser extensions, ad blockers, VPNs, and security tools can interfere with X's login verification scripts. Look at the top right area of your browser and click the extensions icon, or go to your extension manager. If you're using an ad blocker like uBlock Origin or AdBlock Plus, pause it or disable it temporarily. If you have a VPN turned on, disconnect it for a moment and try again. Then refresh the X login page and test the login once more. A lot of times, this single step fixes the problem immediately. Now let's fix another common cause: your computer clock. X uses secure login checks, and if your system time is even slightly off, the login can fail. On Windows, look at the bottom right corner of your taskbar, then right-click the time and date. Choose Adjust Date and Time. In the Settings window, scroll down and click Sync Now under the Synchronization section. This forces your computer to match the correct time with Microsoft servers. Once the clock is synced, return to X and try logging in again. If none of those steps work, you may need to force a password reset. Sometimes the platform flags a session for security reasons and needs a fresh token before letting you back in. Go to x.com and click the Forgot Password link. Enter your username or email address, then check your inbox for the verification code sent by X. Copy that code, paste it into the reset page, and create a new password if prompted. After the reset is complete, sign in again using the new credentials. This often clears up account-related login problems when browser fixes are not enough. There's one more important thing to check, and that's whether X is actually having a service outage. Sometimes the problem is not your browser, not your account, and not your device at all. Go to Downdetector.com and search for X. Look at the outage reports graph and see whether users are reporting widespread login issues. If there's a spike, the issue may be on X's side, and the best fix is simply waiting until the service is restored. So to recap, the fastest way to fix an X.com or Twitter login error is to test Incognito, clear cookies and cache, disable conflicting extensions or VPNs, sync your computer clock, try a password reset if needed, and check whether X is down. Follow these steps in order, and in most cases, you'll be able to sign back in without too much trouble. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which step fixed it for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.